Why did the seat donate its money? Because it was feeling charitable. Hello ladies and gents, my name's Hamble and my posture is shit. The table I use to work on all my projects is a repurposed TV stand, so basically it is very low to the ground, so most of the time when I'm working I am very slouched. And this really sucks because then I get up and my back is all fucking sore because I've been slouching over for like 5 hours. So that got me thinking, what if I could make something that can make my posture better? Introducing the posture chair. The sleek new way to help with bad posture. With this amazing design, when the posture chair detects bad posture, it will scream at you to sit up and say you're just a lazy little fuck. And then it will torture you mentally, which we will get to at the end of this video. But I think that's enough said. Let's get into the build. And today, we are going handheld. Welcome back. So as you can see here, basically this is just a chair with a bunch of electronics on it. I know, crazy, right? Chair can be switched out because you can take this off and just like fucking glue it or tape it on something else. And for the electronics, we basically have an Arduino, a relay, a 9-volt battery, a breadboard, and a whole bunch of spaghetti. And if you can see this little cord right here, yeah, this is very important because we need our computer. It's my computer, not yours, but you get the point. And all we have to do is plug into my computer, and as you can see, we have the code, and since it's plugged into my computer, it powers on. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. It has LEDs and an ultrasonic sensor. And if you notice, when I put my hand up close it, when it's closed, it turns green. When it's back, it turns red. It's like a shitty version of red light, green light. Basically, this is going to be detecting the distance of your back. And when it detects you have good posture, it's going to go, oh, green, nice. But when it detects you have bad posture, red. And obviously, it's not just doing that, so that's where we have the sound. And that is what this code does. Don't worry, I'm not explaining. Basically, we are just going to boot it up, wait for it to start. Now, as you can see, let's turn off the volume a little.
Fix your posture, asshole.
Because I'm not sitting down right now, my posture is technically horrible. When I do this, it stops. But when I put it away,
Fix your posture, asshole. Sit up,
it starts insulting me again. And as you can tell, this is probably going to be very annoying. So there's two ways to stop this. One,
Fix your posture, asshole.
fix your posture, asshole. Or just... That's usually the easier way when I'm testing. But I think it's now time to show this project in action, so let's get to it. Oh, hello there. As you can see, basically, it's on and running right now, and when it detects my bad posture, it gets mad. So basically, up, it turns green, obviously, and down,
Why is your posture
it gets mad. But there is one last mode that... Okay, shut up. There is one other mode that I have for this device. It may even traumatize you. So, let me just get that ready. Just remember, I warned you about how dangerous this next one is. So, let's get that up. Okay, it's all booted up. Basically, if I have bad posture, as a wise man once said, gotcha bitch. And that is the end of today's video. I'm sitting in the posture chair right now, it's just not on. This project was actually very fun to make, and it was actually very hard to learn how to make it. I do have to get credit where credit is due. Someone actually beat me to this
few days
ago. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Please make sure to check out this man's video because it is far better than mine. And I hope you all enjoyed today's video. It's now time to challenge you to improve my approved trash. So basically, if you can think of any sort of way that you can improve your back posture through robotics or something, please make it and send it to me on Twitter. I really like to see these things. And on that note, I hope all of you have a great day, and as always, stay trashy.